That dreaded check engine light. It illuminates on your dashboard, casting a shadow of uncertainty over your car's health. But fear not. In today's tech-savvy world, you don't need a mechanic's degree to diagnose your car's basic troubles. Enter the OBD2 scanner, your gateway to understanding your vehicle's hidden language. An OBD2 onboard diagnostic scanner acts as a translator between your car's computer system and you. It retrieves diagnostic trouble codes triggered by your vehicle's sensors, providing valuable insights into potential malfunctions. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the top 5 OBD2 scanners of 2024, empowering you to make an informed decision. We'll explore features, functionalities, and crucial factors to consider before purchase. Links to each of the scanners are in the description box below. Now, let's take a look at the best OBD2 scanners for 2024 based on our opinion. The first product on our list is the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro. It has a user-friendly interface with an accompanying app that offers comprehensive repair guides, live data streaming, and community support. It features reads and clears DTCs, displays live engine data, performs SMOD check readiness tests, and generates emissions reports. It is compatible and works with most 1996 and later OBD2 compliant vehicles in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia. It has Bluetooth connectivity that ensures a reliable connection to your smartphone or tablet and is priced around $100. The pros are that it has a beginner-friendly app with clear explanations. It has an extensive repair information database. It offers live data monitoring for real-time insights. It also has a community forum for troubleshooting assistance. Some of the cons are that it requires a smartphone or tablet for operation, and a subscription is required for some advanced features. The second product on the list is the TOPDON ArtiDiag 800BT, one of the best scanners that comes with key programming. The TOPDON ArtiDiag 800BT scanner has USP advanced functionality, including key programming capabilities for select car models. Some of its features are that it reads and clears DTCs. It displays live engine data and performs bidirectional controls. It allows activating components for testing, resets service lights, and offers key programming on specific models. It is compatible and works with most 1996 and later OBD2 compliant vehicles for the US, Canada, Europe, and Asian vehicle models. It has Bluetooth connection for wireless access from your smartphone or tablet, and is priced around $250. The pros are it has powerful features beyond basic code reading, has key programming that saves time and money on compatible models. It supports bidirectional control for advanced diagnostics and is capable of resetting service lights. Some of the cons are the higher price point compared to basic scanners. The key programming function may not work on all vehicles, and its feature complexity might require some mechanical knowledge. The third product on the list is the FOXWELL NT201, one of the best consumer OBD2 scanners. The FOXWELL NT201 scanner has the ideal balance of affordability and functionality, making it a great choice for home mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Some of its features is that it reads and clears DTCs, retrieves live engine data, and displays freeze frame data. It gives a snapshot of engine parameters at the time of DTC trigger and performs I/M readiness tests for emission checks. It is compatible and works with most 1996 and later OBD2 compliant vehicles in the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia. It has a wired connection for a simple and reliable connection, and is priced around $70. Some of the pros are it has a straightforward interface and easy-to-use operation. It provides essential functionalities for basic diagnostics, and its affordable price makes it accessible to a wider audience. Some of the cons are that it lacks some advanced features like bidirectional controls and key programming, and its wired connection can be inconvenient for some users. The fourth product on the list is the Autel AL539, one of the most feature-rich OBD2 scanners available on the market today. The Autel AL539 scanner boasts a comprehensive feature set, including live data graphing, DTC definitions in multiple languages, and battery voltage monitoring. It features reads and clears DTCs, displays live data with customizable graphs, retrieves freeze frame and vehicle information, performs I/M readiness tests, and offers battery voltage monitoring. It's compatible and works with most 1996 and later OBD2 compliant vehicles from the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia. It has a wired connection, ensures a stable connection, and is priced around $150. The pros of the device are that it has an extensive feature set caters to advanced DIYers and mechanics. It has live data graphing that provides a visual representation of engine parameters and has DTC definitions in multiple languages that enhance user-friendliness. Some of the cons are that it lacks Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity for mobile use and has a steeper learning curve for some features compared to basic scanners. The fifth product on the list is the ANCEL BD310, one of the best budget OBD2 scanners on the market today. The ANCEL BD310 scanner is a super budget-friendly option that prioritizes core functionalities for basic diagnostics. It features reads and clears DTCs and displays live engine data, performs ICE/M readiness tests, and offers a one-click smog check function. It works with most 1996 and later OBD2 compliant vehicles from the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia. It comes with a wired connection for a simple and reliable connection. The pros are its unbeatable price point makes it accessible to budget-conscious buyers. It performs basic diagnostics tasks effectively and its easy-to-use interface for beginners. Some of the cons are that it has limited live data streaming capabilities. It also may lack advanced features needed for complex troubleshooting. With an array of options available, selecting the perfect OBD2 scanner boils down to your specific needs and budget. Links to all of the scanners are in the description box below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you'll know when our next video drops. Finally, key factors to consider when purchasing a OBD2 scanner are your mechanical knowledge. If you're a beginner, a user-friendly scanner with a clear app interface might be ideal. For advanced users, a scanner with bidirectional controls and extensive features could be a better fit. Identify the functionalities you need. Basic scanners focus on DTC reading and clearing, while advanced options offer live data graphing, key programming on compatible models, and bidirectional controls. Choose between wired scanners for a simple connection or Bluetooth/Wi-Fi options for mobile access with your smartphone or tablet. OBD2 scanner prices range from budget-friendly options to feature-rich models. Determine your spending limit and choose a scanner that offers the functionalities you need within your budget. Always ensure the scanner you choose is compatible with your car's make, model, and year. Empower yourself with knowledge by getting an OBD2 scanner that equips you with valuable knowledge about your car's health. By understanding the information it provides, you can make informed decisions about maintenance, repairs, and potential savings. So, ditch the fear of the check engine light and embrace the power of diagnostics with the perfect OBD2 scanner for you. We hope that this comprehensive guide has equipped you with the knowledge to navigate the world of OBD2 scanners. We've explored the top 5 scanners of 2024, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Remember, the best scanner is the one that aligns with your needs and budget. By considering the factors mentioned above, you'll be well on your way to choosing the ideal tool to unlock the secrets.